Hello everyone, how are you friends? Hope you all are fine. Welcome back to our creative corner. Today is not just about making decorations, today is about creating warm memories with simple handmade Christmas crafts. Every ribbon, every pine cone, every small ornament can bring happiness to your home. So let's enjoy these beautiful ideas. And Christmas is a season of love, kindness, and sharing. Handmade decorations are special because they are made with care. They don't need to be expensive. Sometimes the simplest craft becomes the most beautiful decoration in the whole house. The first idea is a rustic Christmas wreath. Use jute rope, green leaves, small pine cones, and a ribbon bow. This natural style gives your front door a warm and welcoming look. Another lovely idea is decorating glass jars and fill them with fairy lights, tiny ornaments, or fake snow. These jars look beautiful on a dining table, bedroom shelf, or near a window, and wooden ornaments are always a classic choice. You can paint stars, Christmas trees, or little snowflakes. Add tiny twine for hanging, and your Christmas tree will have a cozy handmade touch. If you love simple crafts, make paper Christmas stars, fold colorful paper carefully and decorate them with glitter or tiny pearls. They look beautiful hanging from the ceiling. Old fabric can become amazing Christmas decoration. Make small fabric hearts, stars or mini stockings. This is a wonderful way to recycle while decorating. You can also decorate empty bottles with jute rope, lace and tiny bells. Add fairy lights inside the bottle for a magical evening decoration. Mini Christmas trees are always fun to make. Use cardboard, jute rope, buttons, pearls or ribbon. Small trees are perfect for decks, shelves or gift tables. Try making snowflake decorations using popsicle sticks. Paint them with white, silver or gold and add a little glitter for a snowy winter effect. Handmade gifts tags make every parent feel more personal. Write kind messages and decorate each tag with tiny leaves, stars or ribbons. A beautiful centerpiece can change the whole dining table. Arrange candles, pine cones, greenery, and ornaments together for an elegant Christmas display. Wall decorations are another easy project. Create a Christmas tree shape using wooden sticks or string lights, then decorate it with ornaments and bows. Small hanging bells tied with red ribbons create a lovely festive sound and make doors or windows look careful. Try making tiny Christmas houses from cardboard. Paint them with white and add little lights inside to create a beautiful winter village. Natural decorations never go out of style. Try orange slices, cinnamon sticks, pine cones, and greenery. Make your home smell fresh and look elegant. Handmade candle holders are simple but beautiful and decorate. Plain candle holders with twin lace and tiny berries for a cozy Christmas evening. And remember, friends, crafting is not about perfection. Every handmade decoration is unique because it is made with love and creativity. These ideas are perfect for beginners, families, and anyone who enjoys relaxing DIY project. You only need simple materials and a little imagination. Christmas decorations become every more meaningful when everyone joins together. Crafting with family or friends creates memories that last much longer than the decoration themselves. Every finished project tells its own little story. When guests visit your home, they will notice the handmade details and appreciate the love behind them. So keep creating, keep decorating, and never be afraid to try something new. Your creativity can turn ordinary materials into beautiful Christmas treasures. So, friends, thank you so much for spending your time with me today, and I truly hope this Christmas craft idea inspired you to create something beautiful for your home. If you enjoyed this video, and please like, share and subscribe to support our growing creative family. Your support means everything and encourages me to bring fresh Christmas craft idea every day. Until next time, stay creative, stay kind, and make your home always be filled with joy, peace, and beautiful handmade decorations. And see you in the next video. And thanks for watching my videos. Take care and goodbye. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thanks for support my channel. Take care and do let me know which ideas you would like to see in the next video. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos, share my videos. It's a very amazing, highly demanding and very creative rustic style and aesthetic creative craft ideas. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Take care and goodbye. Thank you so much.